how to verify Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can verify your Instagram account, and here is how to go about it. So, of course, what do you do first? The first step is to log in into your Instagram account, just like I have done here. And then once you've logged in, you'll be brought to your own page. Once you're on your own page, move to the bottom right corner and click on your profile icon. Then once you're on your profile page, the next step is to scroll up a little this way, and then some icons will appear by the top right corner of the screen. When these icons appear, move to the top right corner and click on the horizontal lines. And so after clicking on it, you will be brought to the settings and activity page. On this page, you'll see a number of options. Just move to the search box and type out request verification. Request verification and select it. And so after selecting that, you will be taken to the verification page. But before you can carry out your verification, you can see the requirement at the top part of the screen that verification is for accounts of notable individuals and prominent brands. But if you do not fit into one of these categories, you can subscribe to get a verified badge, and then you can now come and carry out this verification. So this is how you can apply. You'll be asked to enter in your full name, document type. You'll be asked to add your file. Just ensure you fill this form after you have been subscribed to Meta Verified. Ensure you remember that after you've subscribed to Meta Verified, you can now go ahead and fill this form. And then after filling this form, you would be you scroll down, add your link, and then click on submit. And then Instagram will check it out, and after it's approved, your account would be verified. So this is the process. This is how you can verify your Instagram account. So ensure your Instagram account is verified today. Thank you.